So how many classes did you have today?
I don't know. I didn't count them. It just gets very confusing when you have one after the other because you don't
Yes.
stop.
Actually, I was just finding a tutor to book a slot, and I saw your profile, and I got a slot according to my comfortable time, and so I booked. So thankfully, I saw your profile.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. It's not your fault. It's fine.
And maybe that time you were having a class with the students when I saw you online. So
Maybe.
yeah, because generally teacher come online because of the scheduled class, right? Yeah, and sometimes. So where are you, Nicole? Where are you
I'm
now?
I'm in Italy. What about you?
I watched your intro video, so
It's embarrassing. Okay.
not embarrassing. I liked it. So yeah, so you are in Italy right now, but you are not from Italy.
Technically, yes, I am from Italy and I am in Italy. I was born in Italy,
Mhm.
but my mum has always spoken to me in English, and we have relatives in England, so I'm
Uh-huh.
half, but I live here and I've grown up here. So yeah, from that
Well,
point of view, I'm more Italian.
so Nicole is an Italian, I can say.
Actually, actually, it's yes. No, you mean me or the name?
You. Not the
No,
name, I mean you.
no, I consider myself half and half. I don't consider myself fully Italian.
So do you speak Italian or not?
Yes, I do. Yes, yes.
Good, good, good.
Thank you.
So you were when you were born here in Italy. So you have been here only, right?
I have been. Sorry.
You have been only in Italy
To,
since
to
your childhood.
live,
I mean,
to live. Yes.
since your
Um,
childhood. Hmm.
yes, but I have spent even 3 months in the UK. I mean, repeatedly.
Okay.
So yeah, but mainly I've always lived here, of course. Maybe the summer I would spend when I was younger in the UK with my grandparents and my family.
I got it. I got it.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm from India. So, Nicole, I've decided a topic. Okay.
Okay.
It's not exactly a topic, but I mean, I want you to tell me some idioms, some daily use idioms.
Idioms.
Yes.
Just off the top of my head. Okay. Um.
Or do you have something so that you may get help from any
Yes.
text or something?
Yes. I mean, I would look online just because I just can't think just like this after all these classes.
So, okay. So, let's discuss some idioms.
Okay. Okay. Let me just look for some ideas, just very
Okay.
quickly.
Yeah.
So how long have you been learning English?
I've been learning not continually, but whenever I get time, I just try to learn something new. Yes. So you can say it's around 2 years.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
No, because you have a very good level.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So,
It's true.
as as I told you that I haven't been learning this language continuously. Okay. Yeah. So when I get time, I just learn because it's my first foreign language. We talk in Hindi. My native language is something different.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yes. So my native language is Mathli. When I'm at home, I speak in Mathli, or in my society we talk in Mathli. And because Hindi is spoken by the majority of population of my country, so I speak Hindi as well. And English is my first foreign language.
I yes, as I say, it's good, and also usually, let's say people who speak Hindi, I think they have a strong accent, which is very nice. I like it, but you don't.
Thank you so
So
much. So almost every tutor says like that when I talk to him or her.
yeah, so it's
Yeah.
true. Yes,
Actually, Nicole, I just believe that your accent, your accent, it doesn't depends on locality. It depends on the environment you spend with, right? Where you spend in. So I just try to practice my English only with native speakers.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, and that's why I got this accent.
Yes. Okay. So that's definitely true. If you
Yeah,
learn from the beginning, if you learn with people who have a normal normal accent, then yes, that makes sense. It's just
yeah.
even
Mm-hmm.
people who have even Italians, they have a very strong accent. But maybe you're right. It's just a bit unusual, but it's fine. I mean, everybody. I think it's also nice to have a different accent because it shows where you're from. But
Yeah,
yeah,
because general people say that, oh, you are from India, but you don't have Indian accent. I said, why? Why should I have only the Indian accent? Accents, every accent is good. I'm not saying it's bad. Every accent is good, but it also your choice. If you like something, then just go for it.
yeah, definitely, yeah, of course, yeah,
So when generally people around me they talk to me, they say you don't seem like an Indian. I said no, that's not true. Just my accent. I'm pure Indian.
yeah, of course, yeah. No, that doesn't change. Of course, it doesn't change your identity.
Yeah.
Of course,
So
depends how you feel. Maybe you don't feel Indian for some reason. So
yeah, only with this language. Otherwise, everything Indian.
Indian,
Just
yeah, okay.
just when it comes to English, I don't seem to be Indian.
Yeah, yes, that's true. Yes.
Yeah, I decided to work on U.S. accent, American accent actually.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so I can tell it's yeah, your accent is more towards American, not British.
not British.